Welcome back to Turning Pages Together with Aditi. Let me start with a question. If Lord Krishna wanted to teach the greatest spiritual wisdom ever spoken, why didn't he choose a peaceful forest, a temple, or Himalayas? Why a battlefield? Why Kurukshetra? The answer reveals one of the deepest messages of the Bhagavad Gita. The very first verse of the Gita begins with a question. Dhritarashtra asks, what happened when my sons and the son of Pandu assembled at Kurukshetra? But here is something interesting to be noticed. He doesn't simply say Kurukshetra, he calls it Dharm Kshetra Kurukshetra, the field of Dharma, the field of righteousness. Why? Because Kurukshetra was already famous as a sacred land long before the Mahabharat war. According to ancient scriptures, this land was once cultivated by King Kuru himself. But he wasn't growing wheat or rice, he was symbolically cultivating virtues truth, compassion, purity, charity, and forgiveness. For years, he performed penance there, and eventually the land came to be known as Kurukshetra, the field of Kuru. It was believed that saints meditated there, sages performed sacrifices there, and even celestial beings visited this sacred place. In other words, Kurukshetra wasn't chosen by accident, it was chosen deliberately. But here is the fascinating part. The real significance of Kurukshetra isn't geographical, it's personal. Because every one of us carries a Kurukshetra within. Think about it. Have you ever been torn between what is easy and what is right? Between comfort and duty? That was Arjuna's battle. Standing between two armies, he saw his teachers, relatives, and friends. His hands trembled, his mind became confused, and suddenly the greatest warrior of his time didn't know what to do. Doesn't it sound familiar? Because most of us have stood in that place, not with arrows or chariots, but with difficult decisions, family conflicts, career dilemmas, or moral struggles. The inner conflict is our Kurukshetra. Krishna could have spoken the Gita anywhere, but he chose a battlefield because life itself is a battlefield. The Gita was never meant only for monks sitting in caves, it was meant for people living real lives, people with responsibilities, people facing uncertainties, people like Arjuna, people like us. The message was clear. Spiritual wisdom is not meant to help us escape life, it is meant to help us face life. Some teachers explain that Kurukshetra and Dharmkshetra also exist within the human heart. Every day, two armies stand before us. One army represents fear, ego, anger, attachment, selfishness, and other represents courage, wisdom, compassion, and dharma. And every day a battle takes place. The question is, which side will we support? Perhaps that's why the Bhagavad Gita begins at Kurukshetra. Before Krishna could teach Arjun about God, he had to help him face himself. And maybe that's the lesson for us too. The battlefield is not somewhere in Haryana, the battlefield is within. And the moment we choose dharma over attachment, our Bhagavad Gita begins. Thank you for joining me today. In the next video, we will continue uncovering some more timeless wisdom from Bhagavad Gita. Until then, keep reflecting, keep learning, and keep turning pages together with me. Hare Krishna.